guys, so this is my initial review on my new hair. So the company, as titled, is Queenies Real Virgin Hair, a UK based company on Facebook, and I have in virgin Brazilian hair. This is virgin Brazilian hair which has been bleached and given me some nice honey blonde highlights, and I've curled this with my bendy rollers. So the natural curl pattern is different. I will show you a picture of how the natural curl pattern is. I was talking to this company on Facebook and we got talking, and they were happy enough for me to review the hair, and they sent me 5 bundles of hair. I have in 3 24s, a 16 and a 14 and a closure, and I wanted to do something that looked more natural and more different. So, and I didn't want to use any heat, I didn't want to do any blending, I didn't want to worry about any of that. So this closure is a really good option. So I have in 3 24s, as I said. I will show you the length because, you know, people want to know how long the hair is. So that is the length. It is true to its length, and this is, you know, bendy rolled, as I said. So the hair was curled, was dyed for me, highlighted for me, actually by, you know, the woman from the company. So her name is Abby, and she's really nice. So she met up and she told me about the hair and everything, and how the hair is and all that kind of stuff. And she was the one who actually highlighted it for me, gave me these nice, cute, you know, nice, beautiful, you know, I just love the colour. I'm just going on about it. It's such a nice honey blonde highlights. So yeah, and she got to talk to me about the hair and everything, and what to expect, you know, what the review will include and all that kind of stuff. So as I said, I have 5 bundles of the closure. How my hairdresser installed the hair: she came rolled the hair going downwards, and then she came rolled the hair as normal, just going round, because this was supposed to, the cane was supposed to go downwards for the closure to sit flat. And what she done was sew the hair normally, and then when she got to the place where the closure was supposed to be placed, she had already measured the amount of space needed, and she just sewed around the perimeter of the closure. She cut the lace at the top, and then she just left it there, and it stayed flat. So she sewed around the perimeter and made sure that the closure itself was laid flat and it wasn't scrunched up, so it looked natural. So this is the look. It's not exactly on my hairline because obviously I didn't use any glue. What I do is I just blend it with my baby hairs, and it just looks really natural, and I really love this hair. So Queenies Real Virgin Hair, so a range of hair: Peruvian, Brazilian, Malaysian, Indian, and they have a range of different type of hair textures. They have a website, they're on Facebook, they have a BB, so there's various ways of contacting them. And they do lace frontals as well, lace wigs and closure pieces, as I have in. So their prices also are really reasonable. Right now they're doing 35% off their actual price list. So you can actually go and get a, you know, good deal, and this will last till January 2012. So you can get a good deal, and the prices actually are usually normal and reasonable. So I'll bring all the hair forward so you can get an idea of the fullness. So it is quite full and everything, and I love the way it looks. It looks so natural. I've never done a middle part, so I'm just loving the hair, loving everything about it. It's so soft. Tangling's been to a minimum, shedding has been to a minimum, dryness, I haven't had any dryness despite it being bleached. I haven't had anything. I only used the serum that she requested, which she gave to me because she will be selling it. It's called Juliet French. This is a woman who actually has launched her own line, or will be launching her own hair care line or product line, and this is what she gave me to just go and try out. I've been using that every other day also when I feel I need to put serum, and I've been using also my Moroccan argan oil. So the hair has been really good in terms of how it's held up. As I said, shedded maybe 5 to 7 strands. My wefts were only cut at the top. Whatever was left from the track was just put in, you know, the extra spaces so the closure can lay flat. So 90% of this hair, the wefts have not been cut, and I'm getting minimum shedding. So I'm really happy about that. In terms of products I use, as I've mentioned, for that's what I've used. For styling these bendy rolls, I just used my bendy rolls, and I didn't even put any heat on the bendy roll. Sorry, not any heat, any hairspray on my bendy roll curls, so it can stay, you know, and it hasn't fallen at all. When she did give me the hair, she did wash and condition it, and the curls did bounce back up. So that's a good sign about hair. And yeah, so in terms of products to use, because people do say hair can sometimes get, well, virgin hair that's been bleached or has gone under some sort of process, or in terms of like bleaching, dyeing, you know, making it look different, can sometimes get dry. I have not experienced any dryness, but she did tell me some products to use, which is Pantene Pro V Smooth and Sleek Shampoo sorry, and Aussie's 3-minute Miracle Conditioner. I will be trying that out, and I'll also be using what I normally use, which is Herbal Essences Hello Hydrations, you know, to see, you know, how they work, because I haven't actually washed or anything with this hair, and it's really nice. So yeah, the hair has been really good. I have no problems with this hair whatsoever. You can get hold of them on Facebook, on the website. As I say, the customer service is really good, because I've emailed her so many times or inboxed her through Facebook, called her, texted, and she's always gotten back to me, you know, really quickly, and she's really good. So the customer service is really good. If you live outside the UK, you can definitely get stock from them or purchase anything from them. So they are they do give you stuff if you're from international. In terms of how the hair's natural curl pattern, I did show an image of it. The closure itself was a straight texture, so I just used my curling one to blend it with the rest of the natural curl pattern. How the hair is packaged: the hair is packaged in just clear plastic bags. A clear bag, just I'll show you an image of that, and you can see the label around the hair with the details of the company and the length of each inch of the hair as well, so it's very you know, clear to see what you're getting. So yeah, the hair itself is really nice. I love the hair. I will show you how it looks from the back. I have a swivel chair, so I hope you can see it. So that's how it looks from the back. You can see all the highlight colours as well. So she did a really nice job. I really love this hair. So as I said, you can contact them on Facebook, on the website, through BB. I will leave all the details down below, as well as what I have in as well on my hair, so you can check that out. The hair is really good. I love the hair. I will keep you updated on how the hair is over a period of time, and how it, you know, it looks when it's straightened, curled, and all sorts. So yeah, this hair is really nice, really soft, and yeah. So basically that is it. So this is just an initial review, just my initial thoughts, and really so far I really like this hair. So I will speak to you soon and let you know how it is, and I hope you like the video, and take care. Bye.